Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error message. The first thing you should do is disconnect any unnecessary USB devices from your computer. If you are using a racing wheel, custom pedals, extra controllers, or other gaming accessories, unplug them temporarily. Leave only your mouse and keyboard connected, then launch the game again. Sometimes, external gaming devices can create conflicts that prevent the game from starting correctly. If you are playing through Steam, the next step is to disable Steam input. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Forza Horizon 6, right-click on it, and select Properties. Open the Controller tab and change the setting to disable Steam input. After that, close the window and launch the game again. This can help fix controller-related issues that may trigger the error. Finally, update your graphics driver. Visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website and install the newest driver available for your graphics card. Outdated GPU drivers can cause crashes, startup problems, and unexpected game errors. After completing these steps, restart your PC and launch Forza Horizon 6 again. Thanks for watching.